Saya Liza Khairuddin. Kita jumpa lagi di lain hari.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Showcase Movies is not just movies.
Shiny.
This is the place where superheroes rule,
We're a time bomb.
pirates sail the seven seas,
Alpaca.
aliens live large, Jedi defend the galaxy, the brave meet the mammoth. This is the place where anything can happen. Showcase Movies on Channel 413 and Astro Go. Primetime is where drama lives.
I will die before I help you.
You're not gonna shoot me.
With the good and the bad. Where the past and the present merge.
We're doing it.
Sure do.
Where fiction meets reality.
It will be epic.
It's where you want to be. It's always prime time.
You're gonna love this.
On Channel 704 and Astro Go.
Let's go.
Just don't make a scene. You made a scene, didn't you?
What is with this tension?
Black Widow, 6 October. Stream on Disney Plus Hotstar for only 7 ringgit and 50 cents. Upgrade now at channel 200 and enjoy Disney Plus Hotstar.
And it's lights out and away we go!
The sporting world gets bigger with Astro Supersport 5.
Erling Haaland!
Names that you'll cheer.
What a dramatic...
Non-stop heart-pounding action.
Lewandowski!
Every game.
It is a beauty!
Every strike.
Oh, it's good!
Every jaw-dropping play. All have a new home.
This is what they came to see!
On Astro Supersport 5, Channel 815 and Astro Go.
And now, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. It's time! Presenting the new broadcaster of the UFC in Malaysia, Astro Supersport!
Last time Suzuki got the MotoGP World Championship. Oh, they turmoiled it in Valencia.
A new level of sporting excitement. Your sports, better than ever. On SPO TV, Channel 816.
Lebih hebat, lebih menakjubkan, padat dengan sukan antarabangsa. Astro Arena 2 membawakan sukan bertaraf dunia dalam ulasan bahasa Malaysia. Sesi diskusi bersama hos kegemaran ramai, penuh dengan berita dan informasi terkini. Pasti tip-top. Astro Arena 2 di saluran 802 dan Astro Go.
Diving into what we can't see. Don't look back, you're coming with me. Escape, escape.
These are the last regions that could be called Eden.
Escape, it's ordinary.
911, what's your emergency?
When disaster strikes,
She said the dam broke.
LAFD!
first responders are the difference between life and death.
I think I'm scared.
You've been seeing a therapist?
The job can be stressful.
Leaving them vulnerable
We have to hope for the best.
We just gotta find our way out of here.
long after the danger.
Oh my God, it's coming down!
911 Season 4. It's always prime time on Channel 704 and Astro Go.
She thought she owned everyone. are you speaking?
I think you licked me. But there's something about poetic justice that's just so poetic.
What was your name?
Cruella.
If you can't make your mind up,
You must hate her.
get started.
She has made it me or her.
Cruella, now streaming on Disney Plus Hotstar. For only 7 ringgit and 50 cents, upgrade now at channel 200 and enjoy Disney Plus Hotstar.
Chefs, your time starts now.
Britain's best bakers are back.
To be a great pastry chef, this is where it starts.
To see who's boss of the Bake Off.
I expect 100% precision.
Who will crack, crumble, and fall? And who will rise to the top? In the new season of Bake Off The Professionals, Wednesday and Thursday on BBC Lifestyle.
When all hell breaks loose, you find out what people are made of.
It's rough in there.
Every crisis
We're gonna do everything we can to take care of you.
has a front line,
The pandemic has forced me to reevaluate things.
which puts each of them to the test.
I know what I stand for.
We need help!
I know what I'm fighting for.
Tough times come, and when they do, I want you by my side.
The Resident Season 4, it's always prime time on channel 704 and Astro Go.
The world's more complicated now.
We need someone to inspire us again.
Cook, eat, repeat.
Wonderful. Cooking isn't a big performance. It is simply, look at that, a series of small repeated tasks that weave their way through the days. I like this part.
Your new mantra for relaxing indulgence. Nigella. Cook, eat, repeat. A new series. Monday on BBC Lifestyle.
Jump in and join in the fun
Let's go!
with the best of movies and series.
This is so cool!
No way!
Come catch your greatest enemies.
You just wink at him?
Right here with HBO Family.
Wow!
Hello, secret camera.
I am your biggest fan.
It's family-friendly entertainment and specials from around the world.
This time, not all of you will leave the game alive.
Hurry! You have to get us off this island.
And catch up on the latest films and new episodes on weekends.
I can't breathe.
So look out,
Nice.
because it's all just for you. Only on HBO Family.
The woman and the boy at the moment.
Justice comes down to him, the marksman. Seize your glory. 300, Rise of an Empire. He saved hundreds. Now he has to save himself. Light, Ben Stiller, Jack Black, and Robert Downey Jr. Tropic Thunder. Discover the legend within. Lara Croft Tomb Raider, the Cradle of Life.
King James. Welcome to
The Space Jam.
Introducing the Goon Squad.
Welcome to the Space Jam.
It's a story of un barrio called Washington Heights. The streets were made of music. A dream isn't some sparkly diamond. There's no shortcuts. Sometimes it's rough.
In the Heights.
The Premier League is back. Never miss a moment with Astro Go Interactive Mode. Jump to the best Premier League moments. Get the latest statistics. And the latest scores. All in the middle of a live match. Catch every match without missing a moment with Astro Go Interactive Mode.